Today, we're going to be multiplying decimals. To multiply decimals, there are 3 easy steps you have to do before you start. These 3 steps are things you have to remember before multiplying decimals properly. These 3 steps are: Step 1. Estimate. You have to estimate what you think your number will be. Our number is 4.26 times 8.3. So we have estimated that our answer will end up being around 35 because 4 times 8 is 32. A little bit more will be about 35. Step 2. Follow the place value. This means that you have to line up all the numbers in the correct order. When you're working out your problem, you also have to start from the right. You do this because if you have to rename during the problem, you'll have to rename the numbers into the next section of the place value. Step 3. Check. You can do this 2 different ways. We will teach you them at the end of the problem when you need to use them. So now let's do the problem. First, you put the numbers in a multiplication algorithm. For those who don't know, an algorithm is working out a problem down the page like this. First, we multiply 3/10 by 6/100. That is equal to 18,000, because when we multiply hundredths by tenths, it equals thousands. Now, we put down the 8,000th and rename the 10,000th to 100. Remember, when doing a multiplication problem, we put down the extra hundredth on the line so we don't accidentally multiply it. Now we multiply the 3/10 by the 2/10, which will equal 6/100, plus 1, which equals 7/100. Then we multiply the 3/10 by the whole number of 4. This equals 12/10. Then you go to the next row. You add a 0 because there are 0 thousandths. Then we multiply the whole number of 8 by 6/100. That equals 48/100. Next, we multiply the 8 by the 2/10. That equals 16/10, plus 4/10, which equals 20/10. Now we multiply 8 by 4, which equals 32, plus 2 is 34. Next, we add up all the components, like you would on a regular algorithm. 8 plus 0 is 8, 7 plus 8 is 15, 2 plus 0 plus 1 is 3, 1 plus 4 is 5, and 3 plus 0 is 3. Now we will teach you 2 different tricks on how to check your answer. Now, to work out where the decimal point goes, you count how many numbers are after the decimal point on the original problem. In this case, 3, so the decimal point goes here. Last of all, we check if our answer was close to our estimate, and it was. So 4.26 times 8.3 equals 35.358. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned how to multiply decimals.